You can build the EPK Pinball project at home, but shared workshops can make it faster and easier. Makerspaces, Hackerspaces, and FabLabs offer extra tools and often helpful community support. Makerspaces are community workshops with shared equipment for digital fabrication, electronics, and wood or metal work. Most run on memberships or casual fees, and many have dedicated areas for different types of projects. Hackerspaces focus more on technology and electronics. They may have less woodworking or metal equipment, but often include tools like laser cutters and 3D printers. FabLabs are geared toward digital fabrication and prototyping, with equipment such as CNC routers, laser cutters, and 3D printers. For this build, a makerspace is usually the best option because it combines woodworking, digital fabrication, and electronics in one place. You might find makerspaces run by community groups, schools, universities, or libraries. Community makerspaces are often not-for-profit, open to the public, and funded through monthly or yearly memberships. Many high schools have makerspaces for STEM classes, usually available to students and staff. University makerspaces are often well-equipped, free for students, and sometimes open to the public for a fee. Library makerspaces can be free for members after safety training, but they may have fewer tools and more limited opening hours. A home setup, like a garage workshop, gives you flexibility, but it can be expensive to set up and doesn't provide the same built-in support community.